Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we are discussing about 11 remedies for getting rid of a cough fast, according to doctors, so let's get started. For many, the worst part of a cold is an annoyingly persistent cough, especially when that tickle in your throat crops up at the worst times, like during a work presentation or as you're tossing and turning in bed. It's enough to make you desperately search for ways to get rid of a cough, overnight, if possible. But as it turns out, there's a fundamental reason why we cough, and it's meant to help you get better. Coughing is a reflex that our body uses in response to irritation, inflammation, or infection in the lungs and airway, says Strachan, MD, a primary care physician at Columbia University Irving Medical Center. It is how our bodies try to push unwanted germs and irritants out of the body. Coughing is most associated with respiratory infections, like the common cold or flu, bronchitis, and more severe conditions, including COVID-19. But it can also be due to acid reflux, allergies, asthma, and unexpected side effects of some medication, according to Dr. Strachan. While a wet cough is often a sign of a lower respiratory infection, a dry cough is commonly associated with irritated or inflamed upper airways, says Dr Chun, MD, an assistant professor of medicine and clinical director of Mount Sinai's National Jewish Respiratory Institute. Treatment for wet coughs is often targeted towards suppressing the cough entirely, whereas, for dry coughs, it may be more focused on soothing the associated sore throat, he explains. So what exactly can you do to treat an annoyingly persistent cough? Thankfully, you can try several effective strategies to improve your cough symptoms, and you may already have the solution in your home. From using over-the-counter medication to drinking tea, here are 11 easy ways to get rid of your cough. Number 1. Take cough medicine. Over-the-counter medicine from your pharmacy is often your first resource for treating a cough. But not all medicine is the same. According to Dr. Chun, there are 3 distinct types of cough medicine for you to consider. The first is an expectorant, which helps expel the mucus in your body by thinning it. Suppressants, on the other hand, subdue cough reflexes in the brain. Cough medicine also uses a combination formula, which utilizes both forms. Other commonly used ingredients include decongestants, which help ease a stuffy nose, antihistamines for allergies or runny noses, and painkillers, such as acetaminophen. Generally, these medications are only meant to be used for a short period of time and should not be used for more than 1 week, Dr. Chun advises. For those with pre-existing health conditions, you must consult your primary care doctor before taking new cough medicine. They may interact with existing prescriptions or negatively impact a pre-existing condition. Number 2. Stay hydrated. There's a good reason why drinking lots of fluids is so important when you're sick. Not only does it keep you from getting dehydrated, but drinking more liquid may also aid your immune system in fighting off viral infections. How, exactly? Increased fluids help to fight infection by increasing blood flow to the affected area of the body, Dr. Strachan explains. Additionally, drinking a lot of water helps thin out mucus and soothes discomfort associated with a sore throat, Dr. Chun says. Number 3. Sip warm tea. Beyond water, try sipping a warm teacup for extra relief, as the best tea blends can boost home healing efforts. Warm drinks, teas or broths thin mucus and reduce throat irritation, Dr. Chun says. Some teas have also been found to have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that provide some relief. One such tea is ginger tea, which is an especially great option as ginger has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that will bolster your immune system. Number 4. Soothe with honey. Want an extra boost in your tea or hot water? Mixing in some honey, an age-old remedy to soothe a sore throat and cough. According to officials at the Mayo Clinic, love has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties, and evidence suggests that it can indeed help with a cough. A 2021 review of studies published in BMJ Evidence-Based Medicine suggests that honey may be superior to usual care for improving active symptoms of upper respiratory tract infections, including cough frequency and severity. Number 5. Gargle with salt water. It's not just another old wives' tale. Salt water gargles are a simple, safe, low-cost home remedy that can help soothe a scratchy throat, which might be triggering your cough. Gargling with salt water helps kill bacteria, loosen mucus, and ease pain and discomfort, Dr. Chun adds. To make an effective saltwater gargle, Mayo Clinic experts recommend dissolving a quarter to half teaspoon of salt in an 8 ounces glass of warm water. You'll want to swish the solution in your mouth and gargle at the back of your throat for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. Number 6. Use a humidifier. Is the air in your home too dry? According to materials published by the Cleveland Clinic, breathing in dry air is linked to common respiratory problems, including coughing. Using a humidifier can help relieve these congestion issues. These handy devices release water vapor, or steam to increase moisture levels in the air, which can help thin and clear up mucus, explains Dr. Strachan. Number 7. Take a hot bath or shower. If you don't have a humidifier on hand at the moment, hop in the shower. Similarly, using a humidifier can help open up nasal passages and loosen up your mucus. Breathing in the steam and humid air from a hot shower or steam bath can help ease cough and other congestion symptoms. A bonus, it's great for relaxing and distressing after a long day. Number 8. Grab a cough drop. Are you looking for instant relief for a chest-racking cough? Sucking on a cough drop or lozenge may help throughout the day. The most common ingredient in cough drops is menthol, a substance naturally found in the mint plant, and provides a cooling sensation almost instantly. Other flavors can work, too. Increase saliva, which helps to lubricate the throat, Dr. Strachan adds. This limits inflammation and ultimately resolves cough. Number 9. Use a neti pot. If sinus problems accompany your cough and post-nasal drip, meaning mucus trickles down your throat towards your mouth, triggering coughing, you should reach for a nasal irrigation device. Neti pots are popular as they use salt water solutions to treat allergies, sinus problems, and nasty colds. Neti pots are a great way to clean out any debris or mucus in the nasal sinus passages, Dr. Chun says. To use a neti pot properly, officials at the Mayo Clinic advise tilting your head sideways and placing the neti pot spout in the upper nostril. Then, gently pour the salt water solution into your upper nostril, allowing the liquid to drain through your other nostril. Repeat on the other side for good measure. Number 10. Avoid smoking and other irritants. Airborne irritants that enter your respiratory system can trigger a cough reflex. Smoking isn't a good idea if you're trying to get rid of a cough. Eliminating environmental respiratory irritants such as cigarette smoking, dust, and pollens can also greatly improve cough, Dr. Chun says. Besides avoiding smoking, you can also use an air purifier to help clear the air of other common irritants like dust and pollen. Number 11. See a doctor. If your cough isn't improving with these home remedies, it may be time to seek medical attention. Dr. Strachan advises seeing a doctor if your symptoms are severe, not responding to over-the-counter treatments, or persist for more than 4 weeks. After a typical respiratory viral infection, cough often resolves within 4 weeks but can linger for up to 8 weeks, she says. The cough should gradually be improving during this time. Dr. Chun also advises seeking medical attention if your cough is associated with symptoms like shortness of breath, bloody mucus, chest pain, confusion, high fever, fainting, night sweats, or unexplained weight loss. These signs signify this may be more than just a common cold, he shares. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this and do not forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section. I'll catch you in the next video.